I'm Miss A Soma. Welcome back. This short video is about how to pronounce Japanese tsu. I've got a comment from Japanese teacher 2 years ago. It says, please make a video about how to pronounce Japanese tsu. こんな遅くなりまして申し訳ございません。Some non-native speakers have some difficulties to pronounce Japanese tsu, and I think some of the reasons of that is Japanese teachers' misunderstanding.
Example 1.
Please teach me how to pronounce tsu. 簡単じゃん。キャッツのつだよ。Oh. Many Japanese people misunderstand that cats and katsu have the same sound. So you might be confused. 私もそう思ってました。すいません。At first, please begin with tsu, 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 and please try to mix these T and S. And please make it one sound. Tsu, 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 tsu. And still, this vowel is not Japanese like. Tsu, 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 and cut the throat vibration. Tsu. 椿、机です。熱、fever、季節、season、妻、wife、立つ、to stand、勝つ、to win、作る、to make。発音 pronunciation 説明 explanation 法律 law つまらないつまらない疲れた I'm tired
Example 2.
ねえねえねえこの映画面白いつまらないよねえねえこの映画面白かった疲れたお正月 So today's lesson is over! 明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いします。See you!